Okay, now we are about to do the listening activity, and the most profound secret in listening is that you must listen actively, meaning that you need to listen to the examiner while glancing at the sheets or the questions you have on the paper, and you listen just once. The recordings are never repeated. So once you miss it out, just know that you are gone. There is no turning back. And in listening, you must make sure that your spellings are correct, especially when we talk about proper nouns, names of places, names of people. You need to write them in capital letters. And in case they say not more than 3 words, most of the times the examiner gives instructions for test takers not to write more than 3 words. You need to stick to it. You need to follow the rules and regulations. So if you don't follow it, it becomes problematic for you. Okay? So that is how listening is. So we are going to do some exercises now. I will share my screen and we'll do a speaking, a listening activity. So this is how we're gonna do it. Firstly, you will listen. You will just listen for the first time. Don't say anything, okay, Alex? You just have to listen, and after I'll ask you some questions, okay? Can you see my screen? Look at the statement says questions 1 to 7. Listen to the recording and follow the instructions. Complete the table below. Write no more than 3 words or a number, which means that you must excuse me, you must not write more than 3 words. It can be 1, it can be 2, it can be 3, but it can never be 4. Okay? So for the first time, just listen quietly, and the second time we'll start doing the exercises. Okay? I want you to get used to the system since it's your first time of practice. Okay.
Now we shall begin. You should answer the questions as you listen, because you will not hear the recording a second time. Listen carefully to the conversation and answer questions 1 to 7.
Good evening. How can I help you? I'd like some information about one of your evening courses, please. Have you seen our brochure? Yes, I think I know which course I'd like to do. This one here, Italian for Beginners. The thing is, I studied Italian at school a long time ago, and I do remember some basic grammar and vocabulary, but that's about it, really. This course wouldn't be too easy for me, would it?
I think it would be. It's for people who have no knowledge of Italian at all. You'd probably be better doing Italian level 1. This one here.
Okay. This is just conversational Italian, isn't it? I don't want to spend time doing grammar exercises and writing like I did at school. That's why I gave up. It was so boring.
Don't worry, the emphasis is on conversation. A lot of people do the class because they go to Italy on holiday. It's so cheap these days, people are popping over to Rome and Milan for weekends.
Oh good, that's why I want to do the course. Is the course fee the same as for the Italian for Beginners?
No, it's a longer course, so it's £90.
How long is this course then?
12 weeks. The beginner's course is only 5 weeks because it's just meant to give people a taste.
I see. Is it on a Friday evening?
No, you have a choice of Tuesdays or Thursdays.
At 6:45, right?
No, let me see. Level 1 starts a bit earlier, I think. Yes, 6:15. There's a reason for that. I can't remember why now.
Oh, it doesn't matter. It's a 2-hour class, though, isn't it?
Yes, all our classes are 2 hours.
And I read somewhere that you keep the number of students down.
Yes, we never exceed 15 in a class, but very few of our classes actually have more than about 12 students.
Oh, good. And the course starts next week?
Yes, the Tuesday course starts on the 5th, the Thursday on the 7th.
Do I need to take a test or anything before enrolling?
Not for this class, no.
Okay, I'll enroll then.
That is the end.
Okay, hello Alex. Hello. Okay, so I played the recording once. Now you have to number from 1 to 7. Okay, you will listen again. While listening now, you need to put the answers, write them in your notebook, and at the end you're gonna check if your answers are correct. Okay, so let's try the exercise. Okay, so we're doing listening for the first time, and this is what my student did. We are about to analyze his aptitude. Let's see his scores. Okay, for the first time you had 1, 2, 3, 4 on 7, right? Yeah, they say course focus. It was conversation. I don't think it was Italian for beginners, but let's just listen again. So you see that the first one was Italian conversation, not Italian for beginners, right? And the second was 19 pounds, okay. 12 weeks, okay. Yeah, weekly schedule was Tuesday and Thursday. Maximums. The maximum size, class size, was 15. It was not 12. You understand? When you listen at the video, the student was like, is it 12? She said no. She made a mistake. She said no, not 12, 15. So it is 15. And here 2 hours, here 6:15. So this is it. At least you tried. It's your first time, and I believe that in the course of our classes, it's gonna be better. Okay? We are going to do another practice again. Let's try another listening activity.